Ja, Vrika to Facebook to Rex Team.
Just go already.
We got. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take all the stuff out of our pockets, okay?
Okay.
Put it right there, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna look away.
All right, let's see it.
Yeah!
Wait, what? What? What is he doing? What? What was that? He's going to the bathroom. He's going to the bathroom.
He took my stuff! Okay, I'm gonna finish my reps of these.
He could be peeing on Mango's shoes right now.
What the heck is wrong with
All right, finish it off strong.
Alright!
Can you pull it off?
Oh, that's good.
Okay, I just realized Mango's like the loudest person I've ever seen in.
Yeah, he's very loud. Okay, all right. What is he doing?
Oh my gosh!
Okay, I don't want to use that machine.
I don't even want to do
Lite play. Extremum. Extremum ne connectar. Facebook. Εντάξει το δείξω, το κόκκαν μπλε. Όμως θα το δείξω στο τέλος. Θα το δείξω σε άλλο βίντεο γιατί δεν θέλω να το κάνω link τώρα. Φαίνεται πάρα πολύ καθαρά. Τουλάχιστον εμένα, τουλάχιστον εγώ δεν θα κάνω αυτή τη βίντεο.